Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are officially inside Pakistan. The immigration only took me like 30 seconds. I didn't expect that. The man was very friendly, even making jokes. I love it already. Let's get out back and head towards the hotel. I found out about this orange line, which should take me straight to the actual city. Let's try it out. Guys, I have to admit, I didn't expect this city to be so green. On the way I saw so many parks, pieces of forest. I also like that Islamabad is divided in sectors, so it should be easy to navigate. The place that I've booked should be one of these. I would guess it is this one, because it has many cars in front. Yes, guys, this is what you get in Islamabad for €9. Air conditioning, a loud fan, television, a fridge, and a decent bathroom. Let's check out the city. So the owner recommended the Karachi Company for having a good breakfast. As you can hear, like he recognizes that I'm a foreigner. There we go. Yeah, so this area looks a little bit like a mix of a wholesale area, some small businesses like barber shops. Look at all these crowds in front of the butcher shop. This looks like some kind of local bus station, but I need breakfast. Yes, so this place is recommended by many people. We're gonna check it out. Assalamu alaikum.
This omelette. This Haleem. Haleem.
Haleem.
Haleem. Beef Nihari. Chana.
There's many options, guys, as you can see.
Just cook.
All fresh, baked in the morning. I've paid 1120 rupiah, which is about €3.30. I've ordered 3 different things. We have a Nihari, which is slow cooked beef with some ginger, Chana or Chanay, which is a chickpea curry, and this is called Haleem, a mix of lentils, meat and wheat. Okay guys, the food was amazing, not too spicy, and the flavors were so intense, almost perfect. I'm gonna take a nap at the hotel, and after that we're gonna explore some dining areas. Alright guys, I have slept almost the whole day and I just got myself ready to explore the F7 food scene. Let's go! What is this, guys? Pizza, Chinese food. I'm not sure this is the right area for me, guys. I'm looking for street food. No Chinese food, no modern food, Western food. Alright, 1, 2, 3. This is what I'm talking about. Fire, smoke, beautiful. I'm hungry, so let's order something the locals like. We have a beautiful Aloo Matar, which is potatoes and different peas in some kind of curry. Okay guys, the Aloo Matar was another masterpiece. But what is this? Kebab? Fries? I think it's time to continue to sector G6 and hope for some better food options. Alright guys, I have arrived at a place called Melody. If I'm correct, there's gonna be a lot more street food in this area, so let's check it out. Poor chicken waiting for his turn to become a chicken masala. Tikka. Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, bro, yes.
Very good.
Lemon soda, chicken biryani, single burger.
Got some fireworks up here. Assalamu alaikum. Very nice area, to be honest. You can relax up here. Assalamu alaikum. And just to give you an idea, you will pay up to, I think, about €3 for a decent meal. Okay guys, I went for the chef's choice. I think it's called White Chicken Karahi, and it tastes like a unique garlic butter. Amazing. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end the video up here. It was a very nice area, good people. Had a good time with some boys, and let's see you tomorrow.